Hi friends, this is the circuit and we have to find current I of t. Convert this circuit into polar form. So 2, this is the maximum value, so RMS value is by root 2. So root 2 is the RMS value and angle is minus 90 degree because here sine term is there. Resistance 1 ohm, 1 ohm. This inductance here frequency is 1, omega t, omega is 1, so omega L is 1, L is also 1, so 1, so this is J1, so inductive reactance is J1 and capacitive reactance is minus J by omega C, so minus J 1 into 1, so minus J1, so here again root 2 minus 90 degree like this. Now consider this voltage is V and write KCL equation V minus root 2 angle 90 degree divided by 1 plus V by 1 plus V by J1 plus V minus root 2 angle 90 degree minus 90 degree by minus J1 is equal to 0. Now V कॉमन निकालते हैं, so this term will go there. Okay, यहाँ पर बचेगा 1, यहाँ पर बचेगा 1 plus and this term here, so root 2 angle minus 90 degree and plus root 2 by J1. Okay, so it is V, this and this cancel, 1 plus 1 2, and this is root 2, this is minus 90, so minus J plus root 2, this minus J and minus 90 cancel, so root 2 will remain. So V is root 2 minus root 2J by 2 which is equal to 1 minus J by root 2. Convert it into polar form, so it will be 1 minus 45. So this is V, so we can easily find I of t. I of t is V by this R, so I of t is V by R, so 1 at the angle minus 45 divided by 1, so this is the I of t. Convert it into sine form, so root 2 cos t minus 45 और साइन फॉर्म में प्लस 90, so this is the I of t. Thank you.